Uh, I honestly don't know what I'm doing today. I'm just gonna be building something in Trailmakers. That's all of what I know of. And this is Bush Entertainment. So, we are going to be building like a helicopter or something. Maybe, let's see. Oh, wrong one. Shit. Whoops. So, do this. This is probably going to be a montage where I disable audio. No, it's not. Whoops. Yeah. We are going to try to keep making this helicopter. I don't know what I'm saying. Fucking, yeah. Screw child. What's it called? Whatever it's called. Screw kid friendly. I'm done with that shit. Tired of trying to keep not cussing. It's part of my vocabulary now. Oh shit. I'm just fucking making a helicopter based off of memory. We're going to see if it will work, though. That is the question. The question is if I can make it work. Mechanics. There we are. Lift and drag. Keep right clicking on accident. Alright, I need to invert the view. Okay. This is gonna be where the, what's it called? Where the rotor thingy is. This is what's gonna control our turning. delete you. Replace you with you. Then we're going to shit. Well, control is what I do. Alright, that's way too powerful. Let's make our landing gears more. Let's keep doing this to where and then we do now we to disable seed movement. Let's get myself one of these. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just trying to figure out what the hell to do. Nope. Alright. Shit, we're going down. Okay. Probably be a better idea if I deleted you. Rotate you, plop you down. configure you. Cool. I've made a helicopter. Yeah. Slay. Now we go in for the landing. We're going to attempt to fly to the carrier. Oh. Come on. Yeah. How do I respawn? Alright, let's try that again. I am horrible at trailmakers. I'm going to try and get a video out, another video out by maybe Saturday or something like that. But going to try and do a constant upload stream or streak of uploading to YouTube. Yeah. Okay. Alright, now that I know it works. Get gently down. Alright. That's when I'm going to cut off the recording. Goodbye. And remember, this was Bush Entertainment.